With Multimedia Cockpit you get a 10-inch screen, but with Multimedia Cockpit Interactive you get an enhanced 12-inch screen, and that's what we've got in front of us now. So if you look at the screen, it's split into three main areas. On the left hand side we've got information like the air reservoir pressure, coolant levels, engine oil levels, and when we started the vehicle, etc. In the centre we have a rev counter, a speedometer, we've got things like traffic sign recognition as well, and also what gear you're in at the time. On the right hand side we've got tachograph information, we've also got the Bluetooth connectivity, and then finally we've got eco support, which scores you on your driving style. Now there is the option to change it from an advanced style to a classic style, and that's what we've got here now. On the left hand side we've got the speedometer, again with traffic sign recognition in the middle, and we've also got the fuel gauge as well at the bottom. In the centre are the driver assistant things like your eco support, your oil levels, etc, etc, and then on the right is a rev counter, the gear that you're in at that moment in time, and finally the AdBlue gauge as well.